Today we'll be discussing about MailChimp for workflows. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here, and you can search for MailChimp for workflows. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account, and you can choose multiple sub accounts at the same time. Install it first. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed MailChimp for workflows. Here we are. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now choose the sub account on which we have installed. Here we are on the sub account on which we have installed MailChimp for workflows. The next step will be moving forward towards the app configuration and find for MailChimp for workflows and get it configured. I'll show you how to get it configured now. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for app configuration and find for MailChimp. You have to find the API key first. You have to set up your account for MailChimp, and in the settings you can find for API keys, generate that, copy paste here, and submit. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our MailChimp account. I have already created that account, and in the account settings, basically, you can find for extras, and down below you can just generate your own API key from here. Create API key and just name it generate key, and here it is. You can just copy that and paste it there to get it configured. After pasting that API key, you can just submit, and as you can see, it is successfully configured now. Now moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow and create an action that proves that the action is working correctly or not. Create workflow starts from scratch. Let's just create a new action. Find for MailChimp, and these are the actions basically provided by MailChimp for workflows. You can just add in there your own automations and create your own workflow. Let's just create a new campaign. Test campaign. As we are setting an example at the moment, create action, save this one, and you can also create some notes with that to notify your contact. So basically, create add to notes and custom values down below major for workflows, and we had chosen the folder name as basically add some text. Save this whole as well, and now we will be testing flows. Choose any of your contact to set an example at the moment. Run this test, and now we will be moving forward towards the execution logs. And here we are in the execution logs. As you can see, with the nodes, the action is executed successfully. It is simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.